Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to repair the AC on a 2018 Toyota Highlander. The first step is we're going to have to open up the hood and we will check the relay, the fuse box. The AC relay is below the brake fluid. You're going to have to take this plastic cover off in order to gain access of that relay. For this debug, I already changed the relay and it didn't help to fix the AC. So if you do a search on YouTube, you will find the #1 search result was to replace that relay, but I have tried it, it didn't fix it. So I'm going to skip that. The next step I'm going to do is fill the AC with the refrigerant. This refrigerant called Arctic Freeze refrigerant, and it comes with a gauge already. So you can see the gauge is from 0 psi to 150 psi, and we're going to connect to the low side of the AC hose. So this one H, that's the high pressure, and then the L is a low pressure. It's a hose with a bigger diameter, so that is the hose you want to fill with this AC refrigerant. Taking off the cap, then I'm going to connect this hose. I'm going to push it in like this, and then put it on into the hose. You should hear a click sound. Okay, it's connected. Now I'm going to start the car and fill it up. Turn on the AC to the max. Okay, now we're going to check the gauge. Looks like I'm slightly low on the refrigerant. I'm going to click this to fill it up. Okay, I have filled it up to 40. I didn't film it because it was quite difficult for one hand to hold the can, and I have to tilt it like this. Another hand I have to squeeze the trigger. So anyway, you have to trust me that I filled it up to the green number 40. So now we're going to check the AC is cold. After 2 minutes, I can definitely feel cold air coming out the vent. So it means the problem is fixed. After filling up, the most common problem is restore the Freon, the refrigerant, into your car, and once you've done that, the AC will be ice cold. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped you.